Are you looking for the best backpack beach chair with phone and cup holder? Backyard loungers and beach days have evolved from simple foldable chairs to sophisticated hands-free carry solutions that integrate seating, cooling, storage, and device accessibility. Backpack beach chairs with phone and cup holders are particularly compelling because they free your hands for sun protection, reading, or photography while keeping refreshments and essentials close at hand. In this comparison, product number 1. Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic. Overview. This is a flagship Tommy Bahama backpack beach chair featuring a 5-position lay-flat recline, a back towel bar, a storage pouch, an insulated cooler capable of holding 6 to 8 cans, an insulated cup holder, and a bottle opener. It uses rust-proof aluminum, includes potted backpack straps, and weighs about 9.78 pounds. The open dimensions are 25.25 inches deep by 23 inches wide by 31.5 inches tall, with a 250-pound weight capacity in the blue-tinted version and 9.78 pounds of mass, suggesting a sturdy but portable build aimed at all-day comfort and convenience. In practice, the Safe Adjust mechanism helps prevent finger pinching during position changes, which is a meaningful safety feature for families with kids or for users who frequently shift between upright and fully flat. The integrated cooler and cup holder reduce the need for extraneous bags or coolers, enhancing on-the-go usability. The towel bar and storage pouch add organization, an advantage over simpler chairs when you're toting wallets, keys, and small accessories. However, at roughly 9.8 pounds, it sits in a middle weight class. Taller users, or those seeking the lightest possible setup, may find lighter options preferable, especially when hiked to a remote spot. Product number 2. 5-Position Aluminum Lay-Flat Overview. Pasamic's model emphasizes a low-profile beach chair design with a 5-position recline, a 9.06-inch seat height, and a 30.3-inch back height. It features a 600D Oxford fabric, a rust-resistant aluminum frame, a 265-pound weight capacity, and a straightforward 28 by 24.8 by 4.3-inch folded footprint at a weight of 6.3 pounds. Notable inclusions are a 4-in-1 side pocket, phone holder, cup holder, bottle opener, and magazine pouch, and a large cooler pouch that keeps beverages cold across extended beach sessions. The chair's backpack straps facilitate hands-free transport, making it highly portable for casual trips and short hikes to the shore. In use, the chair's overall lightweight and compact fold make it an appealing budget to mid-range option for solo beachgoers who prioritize quick setup and easy carry. The integrated features, phone holder, built-in bottle opener, and magazine pouch provide practical daily use benefits. The 265-pound rating is respectable for its class, though larger or taller individuals may prefer a higher seat height for easier standing up. Some users may want additional lumbar support or a detachable pillow for longer sessions, which this model does not include by default. Product number 3. 2-Pack Aluminum Beach Chair. Overview. Seekey offers a 2-pack set with a 5-position lay-flat recline and a high-back design that includes memory foam headrest padding for extra neck support. The chair uses aircraft-grade aluminum, has a 10.12-pound weight per unit, and ships with 2 insulated cooler bags plus a towel bar and a cup holder. The product emphasizes comfort via memory foam and a high backrest, aiming at lounging readiness for longer sessions, and is designed for easy backpack-style transport with assembled setup. Performance-wise, the memory foam headrest adds a premium level of comfort for prolonged sun exposure. The dual cooler bags provide redundancy for beverages or snacks, which is convenient for group outings. With a 5-position recline and 265+ pounds capacity typical of Seekey designs, it remains stable on sand, but the dual chair dynamic means more total weight and bulk when transporting 2 chairs. The assembly is described as ready assembled, which helps on arrival but means you'll sacrifice a bit of customization on setup. Product number 4. Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic. Overview. This is a second Tommy Bahama model in a blue Tropical Leaves colorway, maintaining the same core feature set as the Tropical Leaves variant in Product 1: 5-position lay-flat recline, towel bar, storage pouch, insulated cooler, insulated cup holder, bottle opener, and potted backpack straps. It uses rust-proof aluminum and shares a 31.5-inch high profile when open, with dimensions of 23 by 25.25 by 31.5 inches and a 250-pound weight rating. The unit weighs 7 pounds, making it lighter than some competitors and easier to transport for a single user. In practice, the lighter weight and iconic Tommy Bahama styling make this model a compelling choice for buyers who value brand assurance and consistent quality. The lighter weight could translate to easier day-to-day use and quicker setup, though the seat height and overall dimensions remain similar to the other Tommy Bahama version. The 1-year limited warranty remains standard for Shelter Logic manufactured chairs, offering reasonable protection against manufacturing defects. Product number 5. Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic. Overview. This is the premium 2-pack option from Tommy Bahama, offering 2 chairs in a single bundle with the same feature set as the single chair models: 5-position lay-flat recline, towel bar, storage pouch, insulated cooler, insulated cup holder, bottle opener, and padded backpack straps. The 2-pack weighs a combined 18.41 pounds and has a larger total footprint when transported together, with each chair measuring 25.25 inches deep by 23 inches wide by 31.5 inches tall. The stripe color option aligns with the brand's annual lineup and targets buyers seeking value through a paired setup. In real-world use, the 2-pack is ideal for couples or friends who want to ensure both participants have a dedicated, feature-rich chair without compromising on cooling or storage. The total weight and bulk mean this is best suited for car trips to the beach or pool rather than long hikes with multiple chairs. While the per-chair capabilities mirror the single-chair variants, the combined cost per chair might offer value for buyers who prioritize sharing a premium experience.